In this quick video, let's look at how to increase or adjust your volume using Premiere Pro. I have a video added here, and you can see it's got the video and the audio. If you select it, the video, either piece, and do a right click on the audio, go to Audio Gain, and I'm going to adjust the gain by, let's do 12. In this quick video, let's look at how to create a counting number. If you pay attention here to the right of where the volume is going, just take a look here. And with the percentage, now if I do an undo, Command Z, let's look at how to create you'll see that it's around minus 36. So if I redo, ways to do that, you'll see it's increased. This is the overall animation. If you want the video to be quieter, you can right click on the audio, go back to Audio Gain, and you can choose a negative value. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.